Hi, I'm Charles, and today I'm going to be showing you how to repair concretes, fill up expansion joints and small holes using hot glue. Hot glue gun, screwdriver, something to scrape with, some glue sticks, and some wire brushes or old toothbrushes. Now they make this caulking stuff that you can use for expansion joints, but you can see here, this is some of the old stuff that's basically just deteriorating, coming up. And here's some that I put on top of something that's coming up with just hot glue. It's been there for 2 years and actually doing pretty good. So what I'm going to do, oh, that sounds horrible. You've got to dig out some of the grit and grime that's in here, and then over here use to pry it, scratch up some of the vegetation that's grown in, and you can see some of the old caulk that's in there. There's some of the old caulk that's just falling out. And for bigger holes like this, you might want to try cleaning it out with a toothbrush or a wire bristle brush. Like I say, if you're wanting to, you could also spray this down with a water hose to make sure your joint's really clean. But what we're going to do right now, start on the crack. And then just fill up the void. If you let cracks like this go without attention, they can fill up with water, and in colder climates, the water turns to ice and freezes and makes the cracks bigger or seriously damages the concrete. And seeds can get down in there and grow, and of course plants could crack the concrete as well over time. And as always, thanks for watching.